Esri Avoca, a private non-profit organization, promotes economic growth and development of civil society in emerging democracies and developing countries. In India, it's currently executing the GMED, Growth-Oriented Microenterprise Development, and IGP projects sponsored by US Agency for International Development, USAID. GMED is an innovative program that develops sustainable and scalable approaches to job creation by fostering the growth of micro and small enterprises. A key component of the GMED program was the development and promotion of horticulture farming as an alternative model of livelihood for the small-scale farmer. This was achieved by having a network of field extension agents in place to provide technical inputs and supply chain support to the small-scale farmer. As the program progressed, Esri Avoca realized that to make this program sustainable, it was important to provide these small-scale farmers access to the modern organized retail chains, which are growing at a fast pace through the country. While connecting the small-scale farmers to the large retailer is simple in theory, it was complicated to put it into practice without having an ICT infrastructure in place. Project IGP was created to develop an ICT infrastructure to ensure the success of the GMED program. Key business requirements of Project IGP included an ability to work in a disconnected fashion in areas with limited or no network coverage, easy to use application with a minimal learning curve for farmers, application that provides retailers with a way to communicate their needs, application that provides reliable technical extension services in the form of good agriculture practices, GAP as we call it, and also provide expert advice to the small-scale farmers, and also the application that transparently provides retailers with an up-to-date status on their orders, including shipment details. An ability to provide traceability of produce as a feature for the retailers is also included, thereby ensuring food safety and quality. And we also managed to include the final most important feature of providing information on local weather conditions, pest infestations, and an according technical advice. I'm very happy to say that with Infosys, we have brought in an innovative solution to address this problem. We started the entire co-creation journey with an initial requirements analysis workshop, along with the domain experts from Infosys. Once the initial domain understanding was established, the joint team identified various solution possibilities and narrowed down on the final solution. The final solution, which we named as FreshConnect, consists of ICT applications that enable a demand-based, pre-programmed prediction done by small-scale farmers to the exact requirements of the retailer. The entire supply chain is now connected by state-of-the-art ICT solution, which leverages technological innovations while providing true mobility to the field extension agents and also the small-scale farmers. Infosys team gave a brief overview on the various IPs owned by Infosys and did a critical analysis on their fitment for the solution. FreshConnect has Infosys TrueSync IP as a core component to leverage the growing cellular network coverage in India. Infosys TrueSync, while providing device, protocol, independent communication channel with the server, it also enables FreshConnect to work in a disconnected mode in non-urban areas with limited or no cellular coverage. This innovative solution connects all the key players in the horticulture supply chain, the farmers, the retailers, input suppliers, and the field extension agents in a seamless fashion and facilitates bidirectional information flow to all the stakeholders. The small-scale farmer is able to get timely information on the market needs in terms of the quantity, the quality, and the grade, thus getting higher value for his produce. The field agent has access to all information on the good agricultural practices associated with growing the particular crop. If required, through the Ask an Expert feature of the application, the field agent and the farmer also have access to expert advice. Finally, the retailer gets the right quality and safe produce, which he can sell at a reasonable price while reducing his losses due to wastage. FreshConnect delivers improved access to relevant technical information and provides direct access to organized retail markets for Indian small-scale farmers. It promotes better economic growth for the farmers and also caters to the exact demand created by the high-growth organized retail sector in India. The impact of FreshConnect can be better explained if we trace back our journey on the field for the last 18 months. In Project GMED, we started our association with the Maharashtra-based Farmer Society, consisting of 5,400 farmers producing fresh fruits and vegetables. Initially, we provided the technical extension services to the farmers by distributing pamphlets and flyers. Soon, we noticed that every farmer uses a cell phone which is capable of data exchange, and the farmers are well trained on using the various features of the cell phones. After we finalized the solution design of FreshConnect, we interviewed a few farmers and retailers to understand about their response to such a solution. The farmers were too keen right from the start, and the retailers were happy to have discovered a better way to ensure farmer loyalty. There has been no looking back to this team, as we have taken along several farmers, retailers, and even input suppliers who now want to be part of the FreshConnect network and produce to each other's capability.